In this section, we will talk about which keywords tools you should use, how to find the niche to make money online in your need. I focus here Google Keyword Planner 90% because it works on a cool way and does that it tell us exactly how much traffic each word gets each month and its PPC. A common problem that people deal with is that it just gives you like a range, so for African elephant we get searches between 1,000 searches a month to 10,000 searches, which as a search marketer not good enough. I need to know if it's closer to 10 or it's closer to 1,000, because to know exact numbers is when I get into a market it might be very valuable, it might be very good. And of course, the numbers is most the matter in the marketplace. So you want to keep that in mind. To solve that you need to have an account to where you're running a paid ad, so let me use my paid account for example. You'll notice that when I use this with the running ad, even if you're always running a couple of cents for the month, you can actually see that we have more exact matches, so for African elephant 40,000 low competition as opposed to seeing here 10,000 200,000, yes you're much more accurate range the about the same obviously, because that's what you're getting. Now again whenever using the Google keyword tool to your search, remember that whatever your competition is low the suggested bid is that. It's just a suggestion, it's not written in stone, it's not like that. It all depends on how many advertisers there are and everything like that, so it's very good to look at to understand how this is what's going on our keywords. This is how many times are looked up on Google, this is our competition meeting how many advertisers you think. Whenever I am using Google AdWords tool, what I like to do is I'd like to take the term and I actually search on Google as you can see to check if the Google telling me the true paid competition or not. A lot of people not going to talk about this. Your best keyword tool is just looking this up on Google, that's going to tell you everything you need to know. We know 40,500 people every month search for this, that's roughly 1,200 people a day. It's good information. I like to know that, when we go to Google, that the right searches are coming to this word. What we see is we see a little walk over here National Geo, Nat Geo, Wikipedia, Worldwide, Panda and a lot of really competitive type things. So what I'm looking at is we see that there are two advertisers. These advertisers are on the bottom, which means it's not competitive enough to have on the top. Next, we're going to go to the next page. If it shows up the same ads on the top. Are the same ads showing up? Yes they are. That means that it's not that competitive. So we can guess saying that we can get this traffic for real low price, which is for maybe 30 cents a click or less, because Bing keyword tool is also very useful like Google tool as we can look at. We could do the same kind of research as just Bing is the same of Google, but it's showing you the results from MSN, Yahoo and that kind of results. From that group of searching engines, you can reach very important potential customers if you're just going to advertise on MSN, so many times you could do a lot of money by using that. We could see what the search terms are on Bing showing us, so we could type in the African elephant. We can go over and we can get good suggestions. This is important because the traffic is different here. Google got a bigger stake here and Bing is smaller and gets 30% of the search engine market share. You see a group of suggestions on here. It's about a fourth of the traffic. So less traffic, but the good news is it's 4 cents a click, it's a lot easier. And you can see or start to collect cool money by using Bing PPC. That's a quick way you as a beginner you can start from, and you're looking to get a cheaper pay-per-click marketing opportunity. I can get a lot of 1,000 searches just for you right here, I can get a lot of traffic and I can only pay 4 cents